Hey, my name is Princess Brianna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. And comment down more videos you would like to see. So, today I will be showing y'all what I ordered and the stuff I got from the store. The first thing I will be showing y'all is my edge controller. The edge controller I ordered for my edge controller. Okay, but I don't have my logo on it yet, and that's because my labels are kind of, I don't know if y'all can see it. It is, I don't know what size it is, I forgot. It's just a regular edge control. I know what this smells like, but I don't know what candy it is. Let me go ask my sister. Okay, I'm back. So, okay, I see what she's talking about. It smells like cherries, but it smells like the cherry candy. So, I ain't do my easy. I'm not finna actually do my edges. I'm just, oh my god, it feels so smooth. This is the only edge control because my hair is so thick. This is the only edge control that actually would lay my hair down. Let me see if it'll hold my, let's see if it'll pull my edges back. Because I know this part, since I have a wheel stick, so it's hard for edge controls to like push, like lay it down. Let me see if they'll lay it down. Okay. It laid it down, y'all. It laid it down. Oh my god. Okay. Yes, I love this edge control. If y'all want y'all some edge controls, please follow Princess Fluctuations on Instagram. My line is not coming out. Pre-order, okay. Pre-order isn't coming out until September 1st. So yeah, y'all follow me on Instagram, which I will link down below. And I got 2 more in there. So if you're a promoter and you watching me, this is one of yours. The next thing that I ordered was from Amazon. I ordered a couple things from Amazon, but it didn't come on the same day. And it was too big to just unbox it right here. But I'm gonna try to pick it up. Tripod. It is a tripod. A tripod for my face. You will see once I unbox the next thing. And it's probably not what you think it is, but this is for the next thing I'm about to unbox.
Disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of
this is the first thing I have is a wig here. Y'all just don't know how happy I am. Got a wig here. I'm so happy. And I got this to measure my head because I measure my head before I got this. Though in the future, once I get my edge control line and my hairline, you know, built up, I am gonna start making wigs, and I'm gonna post that on my website too. But I'm gonna have to buy more canvases because my head is pretty small, but it's long, but it's small. The circumference is small, so I got a 21. I got a size 21 head, but I'm going to get the 22, 23, 24 head. But for now, I just got this one because I'm not making nobody else a wig for me. So yeah, I'm so happy about this. Y'all just don't know. So the next thing I ordered was this is some elastic banding. Because like I said, I will be making wigs for people in the future. So I got elastic bands to secure the wigs that I was making. I got a big thing because this ain't, I'm making a wig, but I'm not just gonna be making one wig for myself. I'm making a wig like in every texture that I'm gonna be selling on my website. I'm gonna make myself a wig in every texture. And then yeah, so I got a lot of elastic. This it's big and it'll last for a long time because just for one wig, you can literally put it right here just for one wig. The next thing I got is a makeup, and I got two because I'm gonna be making 2 wigs, but I only have this stuff. So they look like this. This is the best kept ever. I took it out the packaging. But it's so tight. So tight. This is gonna secure the wig. And that is all for my Amazon. The next portion of this video will be the things I bought to make my wig. I just went to the beauty supply store. I'm gonna be showing y'all everything you need to achieve a good hair product. A purple shampoo. And this is mainly for when you bleach your knots. You want to use a purple shampoo after just so it won't leave the orangey brassiness in the front too. Actually, let me go behind. Okay, I'm back. And the reason I'm gonna just show you the frontal of the hair that I'm gonna be selling. I'm not gonna show you the bonus. I'm gonna take one half out of the braid because I had this half in the braid. I'm taking this half out because I was doing a middle part. So this is the hair, and this is the hair brushed dry. It was, you know, it just looks like this because I brushed it dry. But once I wet it, it'll go back to how it was when I bought it. And I had it in a braid, so yeah. That's some cute hair, like some cute hair. It looks like this because I brushed it out. So yeah, if I wet it and I brush it back out, it'll get right back curly. Okay, the next thing I have is the BW2 powder and the cream developer and 40 volume. Okay, you basically, if you know how to bleach a frontal, you basically just mix the powder and mix this. The next thing you need is a neutralizer shampoo, and this is so when you bleach your bundles, the bleaching doesn't continue. Just like when you get a perm, you don't want it to stay back and stay on your scalp. Basically, like if you have hair and you think your hair is getting old and it's getting like, you know, you fried it or anything, you just pick up a silicone mix. The next thing I got is some wig caps. Yeah, I just have 3 wig caps and natural. The next thing I have are T-pins. These are basically used to poke, like to hold the frontal in place when you're either plucking or sewing. And the next little items I have is a brush to mix my bleach with, a needle, some thread, and a razor. And I'm using this razor to do my baby hairs on my frontal. This is the twisting cream of the Cream of Nature line, the new one. So and I'm going to be putting this on my hair, washing my hair to my hair. And that was all for this video. Thanks for watching me. Please like and subscribe and comment down what videos you like to see. And also follow me on my social media down below for checkups on my hair and edge control. And then I will be releasing them. See you in the next video.